3. In this video, I'll show you how to connect your data to a Zite app. First, sign into your Zite account and open the app you want to work with. Once you're inside the app, go to the Data or Connections section, depending on the version you're using. Next, click Connect Data or Add Data Source. Zite will display a list of the available data sources you can connect, such as spreadsheets, databases, cloud storage services, or third-party applications. After that, choose the data source you want to use and follow the prompts to authorize the connection. You may need to sign into the external service and grant Zite permission to access your data. Once the authorization is complete, return to Zite. Now, select the specific file, table, or dataset you want to connect. Review the available fields and confirm that the data has been imported correctly. If needed, map the fields so they match the structure required by your app. Next, save the connection and refresh your app. Your connected data should now be available for use in your pages, dashboards, or workflows. If your data source supports automatic syncing, you can also enable scheduled updates to keep your app up to date. Before you finish, test your app by viewing the connected data and making sure everything is displaying correctly. If any information is missing, review the connection settings and refresh the data source again. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to connect your data to a Zite app. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.